Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 28th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. On Saturday, February 29th, it's our next open house. 10 a.m. at the elementary school and 11 o'clock a.m. at the secondary school. Please tell any friends or family who may be interested in PBMA for next school year. This is also a great opportunity to show incoming kindergartners the school as well as fifth graders who can see everything the middle school has to offer. March 17th is primary day, no school for students. Spring break is March 21st through March 29th. March 30th is now a regular school day, no longer a day off. The Dania Beach Plywood Regatta is on April 4th and 5th. Secondary students can build boats using one power tool, cork, and zip ties. On Saturday, the students build the boat, and on Sunday, they race the boats. Please contact Ms. Murphy if you're interested in this exciting event. Thursday, April 30th, 5:30 is Kindergarten Roundup. If you have an incoming kindergartner, this is an orientation for you and your student. Please attend. Here's the events and activities update. I'm thrilled to tell everyone that the Palm Beach Maritime Academy was selected as the best school in Palm Beach County by the Palm Beach Post. We were presented with this award at a dinner last week at the Convention Center.
Alexander W. Drexler School of the Arts, Palm Beach Maritime Academy, and Wellington Community College. Congratulations to Palm Beach Maritime.
Pennies for Pasta is still going on at the elementary school. This is a fundraiser to raise money for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Elementary students can fill their take-home box with spare change to help find a cure for these diseases. The fundraiser lasts until Friday, March 6th. The class who raises the most money will receive a pasta, salad, and breadsticks lunch from Olive Garden. Last week, the high school students visited FAU to see the play, The Glass Piano. PBMA students had a great time at Atlantis Skateway fundraiser. Here are some pictures and videos. Here's Miss Murphy to tell us about March Madness.
Hello everyone. We have March Madness coming very soon. to Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Students are diligently working on getting teams together 3-on-3 to go through the playoffs until we play the Lantana Police Department at the end. This should be a wonderful time, and it is the beginning of the first annual Spirit Week that we're going to have here at Palm Beach Maritime Academy. We look forward to student participation and hope to see you all.
And finally, here are the beautiful works of art created by our teachers and students at the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.